The question, how do we start a continuous cycle of improvement, can be addressed as an individual or a system. In her book, Assessment in Practice, Lynn Stewart writes, "The rhythms of an assessment system reflect the cycles of learning, relearning, and extended learning that occurs in the daily lives of students and teachers. The power of an assessment system is that it weaves the interdependent elements of teaching and learning into a complex whole. A system for assessing learning takes a school community on a journey of self-renewing improvement." As an individual, engaging in the reflective cycle Stewart describes is powerful, but if that reflection is in isolation, it cannot build a robust assessment system. To build a robust system, teachers, administrators, and students need to reflect together with purpose. The first step is really to start. Start the conversation. As you write or adopt and adapt a proficiency-based system, you should simultaneously be engaging staff in structured conversations about teaching and learning. One way to do that is by looking at student work together. QPA's Tool 14 can help you start these conversations. Set monthly expectations to look at work together in PLCs. Another thing to consider is framing out a cycle and a timeline for initial implementation. In the text-based reflection, there is a sample cycle of engagement for performance assessments. The proficiency development cycle can follow similar structures. Then set annual timelines for review. Consider doing this in the summer in between cohorts. Make a plan and stay the course. Unless it's detrimental to student success, use the proficiency language that you start with from day 1 of the school year until the last day of the school year. It's appropriate to make changes as you learn and grow, but give yourself time to determine what really works and what doesn't work. Whenever you implement something new or pass a milestone, like implementing a new report card or adding a capstone project, ask for feedback. Get into the habit of collecting feedback from students, teachers, and parents. Consider getting feedback from graduated seniors about how their experience prepared them for life after school. Ask 9th graders if they felt prepared for high school. When parents come to open house, have them fill out a questionnaire about how things are going. Self-assessment and reflection will only get us so far. We need to ask and be open to how others experience the systems we create. Thank you for watching. Remember to record your work in the reflection and tasks in the Evidence of Learning tool. If you have any questions or would like to share a resource, please contact the Center for Collaborative Education at vtclg@ccebos.org.